So now, if you're trading for adrenaline, ang maganda niyan, punta ka kay Wag Forex, message mo si Boss Kai. Hingi ka ng ng IV na Boss Kai. Kidding aside. Okay. So, if you're trading for adrenaline, go to casino, no? Kasi number one, it's cheaper. May free drinks ka pa, may free food ka pa. And at least it's honest. Kasi nasa casino ka eh. Talagang expect mo doon, yung chance mo manalo sa casino is very small. Casino is for gambling. But professional trading is boring by design. Boring talaga siya. Because if you're going to trade, you'll have fewer trades. And next, it has to be quality. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng trade na makikita mo, papasukan mo. Kailangan you have to focus on quality trades. And the last but not the least, capital first. Kasi kung wala ka ng capital at nagde-demo ka na lang, then I don't think you'll have a edge in the game. Iba pa rin kasi yung real capital versus demo account. Ito yung nami-mention ko lagi sa mga students ko na 80% of success comes from trades that you don't take. Kasi kung bara-bara ka lang ng trade, pasok ka lang ng pasok, exit dito, then mawawala yung quality and hindi mo talaga makikita yung edge mo as a trader.